हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं CMI डेटा साइंस 2023 के पेपर का। तो यहाँ पर मैं 0 to n such that n element is uniformly a random sample of s, y denote x plus 2 to the power n, which of the following is or are true। तो चारों वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, फटाफट कर लेते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a and d, सिंस x is uniformly random variable अगर दिया हुआ एलिमेंट ऑफ s, so value y equal to x plus t mod n is also a uniformly random element of S. So for any deterministically chosen t, so here the probability of y equals to specific element of S, that is 1 by n. So ये दोनों wrong हो गया. Sorry, so first is false, that makes this is true. Okay. And then clearly y belongs to S by definition. Y belongs to S by definition, so this is false. And this is B is random element of y depends on x, so B is false, and the C is true.